In today's video, I will walk you through how to refresh Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. To refresh Gmail on a computer, first look at the top of your inbox. Near the upper left area, you'll see the refresh button with a circular arrow icon. Click the refresh button, and Gmail will reload your inbox and check for new messages. After the refresh is complete, look through your inbox to see if any new emails have appeared. If someone has just sent you an email, it may now be visible in your inbox. You can also refresh Gmail using your web browser's refresh button. Look toward the top of your browser window and find the reload icon, which is usually represented by a circular arrow. Click it to reload the Gmail page. Another option is to use a keyboard shortcut. On a Windows computer, you can press F5 to refresh the current page. If Gmail still doesn't show a new email after refreshing, give it a few moments and refresh again. The email may still be in the process of arriving. So if you're waiting for a new message or your Gmail inbox doesn't look up to date, using the refresh button is one of the quickest things you can try.
And just like that, your inbox is fully refreshed. If this quick tech fix saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized guides.